Interactive experiences should connect, engage, inform, and deliver real results.
I'm Antonio Hondo Parente, CEO here at Brand M3dia. We're branding, marketing, and technology.
With over 30 years of proven experience, Brand M3dia designs, delivers, and supports interactive kiosks, smart pay systems, robotics, and M3 suite software, all end-to-end. Trusted by leading brands and organizations across North America, to name a few. Our solutions are built to capture attention, generate leads, and perform reliably across retail, events, venues, and hospitality environments. We design the experience, build the software, install the hardware, and train your team, then we hand you full control. You can update content, promotions, sponsors, and screens anytime through our CMS, all backed by support, warranty, and analytics. If you want a partner who owns the outcome, you're in the right place.